Is the buchymix food processor worth the hype? We're going to test it with 10 different things. First off, we'll start out with one of the hardest things ever, which is our palm kernel. Can you extract the juice? And guys, okay, next up, let's try with pounded yam. I added my hot yam because I wanted to see if it was going to overheat, but guys, it turned out really smooth and so this good. Is what the texture looks like. I actually love it. Next up, can you peel beans? Right now, this is the easiest way I've ever peeled beans. It took seconds. What if I had to slice cucumbers for a party for at least 20 guests? Let's see how quickly this is going to get me, and it got me these cute shapes in seconds. Can you chop peppers, onions, tomatoes? I added some scent leaf here, and this is what we have. Okay, and that was a lovely sauce. Now, can you knead dough for bread? Yes. You need to buy a stand mixer if you already have this. Apparently you don't. The dough came out really well, and this was the bread. It was really soft and fluffy. Can you slice ugu leaves because we are Nigerians? Now this is what it looks like. It was so good. Can you chop okra? And I mean those chunky sides. You know the one you see in your seafood okra that is so good. Apparently it came out so good. Now let's change the blade and see what else you can get from it. So I put in some potatoes to see if we could get some potato fries. And this is what we got using that particular blade. I changed because I wanted something else, and this was what we had. So good. Okay, now can you mince chicken? Because I don't know what they put in minced chicken these days, so you want to be able to make yours yourself. I tried the same for minced beef, and guys, this is what we have. Now I can confirm that buchymix food processor is definitely worth the hype. Tell me why you haven't gotten one yet. Bye.